Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to verify Binance account. So if you also want to verify Binance account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to the home interface. In this interface, if your identity is not verified here, you'll be able to find the option for verify identity. If you want to verify your Binance account, all you have to do is tap on this option, verify identity. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll have to provide the information regarding country of residence and document issuing country or region. Simply tap on the option residence. Now from here, you'll be able to select the country or region. Simply tap on the country or region of your choice. Likewise, also select the document issuing country or region. After that, what you have to do is select the document type. You'll be able to see the document type for passport, ID card, driver's license, etc. Simply tap on the option of your choice. After that, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll have to go through the document verification. Your ID document will be scanned for personal data extraction. You can either take the picture or you can also upload the photo if you want. You have to use the original ID. Copies or screenshots are not accepted. Ensure all information is visible. Now tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to take the picture. After you select the option of your choice, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now the front side of your document will be scanned. So scan the front side of the document. I'll be back after scanning the document. Now after the scanning of the document is completed, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll have to go through the liveness check. You'll have to ensure your face is clearly visible and no other person is in background. Read these informations very carefully. You should not wear any glasses, mask and hat. Simply tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll have to do the liveness check. I'll be back after doing that. Now you can see over here your identity verification is under review. The estimated time is 15 minutes. After the verification is completed, you will receive an email or app notification. After that, your account will be verified. So that is how you verify Binance account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.